So hi, this is Jasmine Medina, and my mom took us, and this is very exciting. We're on the road trip. Okay, you guys, this is a volcano, and yeah. I'm sorry you guys can't see it. Here, zoom in. Oh gosh, yeah. So it's a volcano. Don't worry, we'll try to get really close to it. Because we can't trespass through here, so we have to go find a way and a road, and then we can get right there and we can climb the volcano. Because I want to do it. I'm not scared. It's really cool and interesting because I've never seen a volcano in my life. In real life, but like on YouTube, yeah. Mom, we're going through the volcano. Oh, we did it without trespassing. Yes, yes. Oh my God, Mom, can I climb it? That's a volcano, you guys. I cannot believe it. My mom did it without trespassing. Because of some roads that you can't trespass, which is mean because I always want to see a volcano.
We're hiking.
Yeah, Mom, can we touch it?
I'm gonna touch it. I want to touch it.
Wow.
So I'm going to pause this video really fast, and you guys are. I'm gonna ask my mom if.
We got close today.
And my mom is very pretty. Just saying. And this is pretty. Oh my God.
See one this close?
No, I only saw one on YouTube before. Yesterday we saw this volcano, and we saw this volcano yesterday, but we saw it from far away because we couldn't find a way to
This is my first time
get close to it, so we had to go and take pictures. Now here it is close.
Can we go out and touch it?
Here it is. That's a volcano.
Can I
Yes.
go out and touch it?
See how far we are? We're really close to it. We can get out of the car right now and go. But there's a lake. Nope. If we go farther,
Crazy volcano. I swear.
if we go farther, we
Dude,
cannot fall in a lake.
Dude, how would it feel like if we can go like that?
Whoa, Mom, can I go out? Can I go out and go touch it?
You want to?
And-
No trespassing!
Right, oh no. That doesn't matter.
Cave.
Oh.
See,
And
where's
here's-
the cave, and then it has the.
Oh, look at that cave right
But this is from a long time ago, you guys, so this is very,
there. Can we just
very...
go and look at it out?
Cave hat. Cave don't. It says that right there. If you guys can probably see, I'll try to zoom in as fast as I can. There's the volcano. At first, from far away, Mom, I thought that would be really easy to hike on. Now, since I'm really close to it, it's not easy.
Look how steep that is. And hopefully we can see some bison right here.
You guys,
Interesting Valley? We finally got real close, huh?
40, 54.
Son,
Weird.
your camera, is it facing the volcano or you? Let me see. Your camera. Oh, you have it opposite?
I have it this way and I go this way, Mom.
Wow.
And it says
So there
a
is
lot
a
of stuff
cave.
inside it.
And we're gonna go check it out, maybe, if my
Can
mama
we
let
touch
us.
it?
Mom, can we go check out the cave?
Like
No,
touch
you
it.
guys should walk right there because it's a lot of. Something might jump out of the bushes.
Why would someone do that?
We should bring Grandpa up here. Grandpa walk with you guys.
Oh my god.
Grandpa said that.
Oh, that's amazing.
Mom, it's so happy.
This looks like
And-
a sheep for picking like God.
Mom, there's something right there. Stop, Mom, it's scaring me.
Mom, on some wood, someone tried to spell a bad word.
Oh, sorry, you guys. It's close to
Oh
something
my
really bad.
G.
So,
Omar G.
Omar G.
See, this is the back side.
This is the back, and
a house.
there is a house
Hey,
that
look at it.
lives
If we go through this road, it goes all the way up to volcano.
Mom, no, don't do that. I'm scared.
Let's do it.
We're doing it.
Let's go. Alright, everybody. Mom, can we just
No,
go?
I already did it. I'm not passing by.
We're gonna go up a volcano.
That looks like Isaac's
Oh.
car.
That looks
We're
like
on Butt Road. Take a picture.
Butt road.
Butt Drive.
Butt drive. Mom.
Well, it did say Butt.
Mom, just follow the road. I'm scared.
Mom, look, a little house.
This is the backside.
There's a house that lives on a volcano, and that is very kind of weird. But that's cool because this volcano will never erupt, and if it did right now, we'll be dead right now.
Mom,
So,
you know that sign that the square looks like a volcano.
and this will be very interesting
Wow, did you ever
because
think we would find it?
I
this
would
way?
describe this.
up
And there's
there.
a house.
We're gonna see what it does.
We're just gonna follow.
Oh, the house is
the
leaving.
freaking volcano.
We're gonna follow this road
It
and
might say
see.
no trespassing,
It
but
did say it, but we're gonna go up. And
Because
then
the car did it, and that was no fair.
yeah. So maybe they went up.
And we're
we're
going
gonna-
on a volcano, which I'm really scared. Please don't judge me, you guys. I'm
Maybe
really
they
scared
went
of
up
this.
because there's no.
I'm scared of
and there's No
heights.
trespassing
So
to go.
I will probably just maybe just hike. Like I'm scared of road driving on hikes because it really scares me. And yeah, so I
No,
can't.
I'm
go.
scared of the climbing. Cause
I'm not scared of really. I'm not scared of the
Oh,
climbing.
we're not gonna make it that way. So we're on this side of the volcano.
That's the back.
This is the
Okay,
back
let's turn
side.
around, okay? Or did you want to go up a little bit more?
Just a little bit. Just a little bit. I want to find a way how to get out of here. Why do we do this, Mom?
Wow, this way looks different than the other side, huh?
Mama,
See if we can go.
and that's the volcano on the back side. It doesn't look that. It looks like a mountain that side. On that side. This is really cool, and
Plus,
I'm
our
gonna turn
mom
around now, okay?
and yeah, I just can't. Just guys, I thought it would be scary because
there's people to meet.
Yeah, we're on their property. Wow, what is this thing?
No trespassing, Mom. Stay.
that's Brady. Don't worry, we won't get in trouble.
Look at this big pipe thing.
There's people to go. No, Mom,
Mom, that's Brady.
that's Brady.
Oh, I don't know who Brady is.
Oh nope, I thought that was Brady.
There's a car behind us. Yeah.
Oh god, I can't reach. So, because I'm really.
Let him go ahead of us, okay?
So you guys, I'm kind of really scared, but just let you guys see the view.
Should we go up this road?
No
Mom,
trespassing.
no trespassing. We're not
Is
gonna do
that a
it.
real house up there?
Yeah, but we can't trespass because it's their property.
What does no trespassing mean?
It means you can't do it. You can't go there. But Mom, we trespass really far, so we should go.
Imagine coming up here in the snow. How it'll be all white.
Hey Mom, we should do something. We should park our car somewhere and see if we can follow that trail and see if we can do it. Should we? Should we?
Do you want me to try to climb up there
No,
and fall all the way down?
It's a trail. It's a trail for cars, but we shouldn't. This is scary. There's the volcano. Sorry, you guys can't see. I just want you guys to see. I can see. I already been here. So this is not really scary for me no more because at first I thought we were gonna go up a volcano, which I will get scared. So it's because look at how scary
Is it really
it
a
will.
volcano?
I don't know.
How do we find out? 'Cause it looks like a mountain. It doesn't look like there's a hole. Maybe we can find out, okay? Next thing we need to do is find out more information, okay?
No, but it's not a volcano, Mom.
It is. Wait.
Oh yeah, it is a volcano because
Okay, so like inside chat, and tell us if you think that it is a volcano.
I think it is a volcano. We are going to find out any information, documentation to prove that it is a volcano.
Alright,
that was cool.
Okay, sit back.
I'm scared.
we're gonna read
And we're gonna go. We might go turn back. And please watch. Mom, what next time when we come back, can we go in that cave and check it out?
We'll bring Grandpa.
So you can walk us there? Because I know Grandpa will be interested in
Grandpa
coming.
will be like, it's a volcano! Jumping around all excited.
So you guys, in my next video, I am going to do a part where you guys can see us in the cave. No, Mom, that is a volcano, Mom. Because the top... That is a volcano.
Okay, so let's find documentation on the video.
So, so in my next video, please comment down below if you want me to do in my next video, but, in my next video, Mom, when are we gonna go get Grandpa?
I don't know,
We'll do it today. It's so fun. I might do it today, I'm not sure, but
wow, so
it's a volcano. And my next video, please comment down below what do you want me to do in my next video, but the video after the cave, because I'm gonna end this video and we're gonna do a cave video. So yeah, actually we might do a cave video. I'm not sure. I'm not sure if I should go inside a cave. What about just something? So see you guys in my next video. Bye.